Hi everyone, this is Marina from Frocks and Frolics.com, and I've been asked by Madame Sue to review their presser feet, and I thought that's a very good idea because most people don't know about presser feet, especially when you start sewing, and plus they are so reasonably priced that I thought if they're any good at all, they are a massive hit. So I thought, well, I'll try these out, I see how they go. I will film it all, show it all to you, and not only will you learn about presser feet, you also might be able to buy these little babies here, which are a fraction of the price that you pay for your feet. And everyone knows probably that watches my videos, I have got a faff machine, not a cheap machine, quite expensive, and all the feet are really expensive, I have to say. So I was very excited about doing this, and I want to tell you before I even start, I would have stopped using these if they were no good. I have to tell you that these worked an absolute treat. So these are around $50, and one of you is going to be very lucky and get one for free sent to them. Well, what we thought we'll do is we'll send you all to Facebook. The link is in the description, and there you just have to post a GIF and why you deserve one of these babies, and then we're going to choose someone by random and someone that just makes us laugh, and you will get sent one of these. Now we're going to look at all the feet in detail, and we're going to start with the invisible zipper foot. Take out the little zipper foot from the packet, and we also need a zip which is invisible or concealed, and here I've got one already at the ready. And the difference between this and a plain zip is that you have got the teeth on the underside and they don't lie to the top, and then you've got your foot. Now the foot looks like this from the top, pretty much like any other foot, and then from the underneath you have got two grooves in which the zipper foot teeth will go when you're sewing. These are really wide apart, and I was a bit worried before I started that this might not work, but it did. So the first thing to do is to take a screwdriver and take off the shank of the sewing machine. Not just the feet, the whole shank. And then you can put the shank from Madame Sew on instead of your own shank. And you just screw that too, and that will enable you to put any foot on that came with this lovely package. So I'm just screwing that one in. You also got at the back, you can see it here, a little red dot shining through. That's a little button that you press to release the presser foot again. So all you have to do is put it underneath and clip it in. And there you release it again. Now we want to get started with this one now. I've just sewn together two pieces of fabric to simulate how to put in a zip. On the academy.frocksandfrolics.com you can find that link actually in the description, and also here on YouTube I have got plenty for zippers, so you can look that up. But now for now I'm just going to simulate this and sew right down to the opening with one of the zipper teeth in one of the grooves. Yeah, this is the far over groove, of course it wouldn't work any other way. Take it out and you can check whether you have been close enough to the teeth. Now in my case actually I didn't go quite close enough. It really helps if you have a sewing machine where you can move the needle over just one so that you can get closer to the zipper teeth, but not so close that you catch them, because then you can't open it up and the zip will break. Now I'm doing the same on the other side. Again, I've put it into the outer groove now, and I'm also opening it up a little bit more with my fingers. I found that works quite well. Like with everything, you have to maybe give this a go, practicing one first before you start on whatever project that it is that you're doing. But once you have your right needle position and everything, I found that this foot worked just as good as my very expensive faff foot, and certainly way better than the cheap foot I've ordered quite a while ago from China, which was plastic. So I hope that you enjoy this, and there's going to be about 12 videos coming up, so keep on checking back when the next one comes out. You can get them here on YouTube as well, and of course as a drip feed course in the Academy, where we have all sorts of patterns and really lovely video courses for you so you can learn how to sew. And you can now go over to the Facebook group, join us. All the videos are uploaded there first. You can join the competition, tell us why it is you that deserves these presser feet, and at the end of the competition, at the end of September 2018, I shall tell you who has won the 2 additional presser feet. So good luck to you, and I see you in our Facebook group, the Frocks and Frolics Sewing Circle on Facebook. Bye for now.